Hello there. The forecast for the end of the week and the weekend has changed quite a lot. I'll come back to that later on. But right now we're seeing rain because low pressure is essentially in charge across the UK. These weather fronts bringing some heavier bursts of rain for a while. Things will simplify through the day on Monday. We're drawing down a lot of cloud and we're going to find some showers continuing. Sunshine for a while in the Midlands will transfer to the southeast. And we could get some sunshine and some showers for Northern Ireland, where it's going to get windy and it'll be a colder northerly wind as well. The wind's picking up across other western areas and temperatures will be a bit lower than what we've seen over the weekend. But after Monday, there may not be an awful lot of rain. There may not be an awful lot of sunshine around as well. We're going to see the area of low pressure bringing the rain, getting pushed away by this ridge of high pressure moving in from the Atlantic. Still going to be a northerly breeze for a while on Tuesday, and that could blow in some cloud for England and Wales. A few showers as well, but those should move away and the cloud should break up. Further north, though, we may well see the cloud tending to increase and a bit of rain in the far north of Scotland. But those temperatures will continue to be a little bit lower, so 9 or 10 degrees. And with some clearer skies, at least for a while on Tuesday night across England and Wales, it could turn really quite chilly here. Further north, though, temperatures will be higher because we're going to be into this sort of air. This is milder air coming in from the Atlantic. That's the sort of air that we're moving into around the middle part of the week that comes around the top of that area of high pressure. Stronger winds will be across the north, and this is where we're going to see some rain, mostly northern and western parts of Scotland. Further south, a lot of dry weather, but as you can see, a lot of cloud around as well. You can see how temperatures are lifting as we move into that milder air, particularly in Scotland, back up to 14 degrees here. We've still got the high pressure to the south of the UK on Wednesday, that zonal wind, that zonal flow, westerly winds with that weather front hanging around in the far north of mainland Scotland, and that's where we've got most of the rain. Elsewhere, again, a good deal of cloud, bit of sunshine, we've got some shelter from that wind, and temperatures are going to be widely 12 to 14 degrees. But there is some colder air just up there towards Shetland, and this is where things start to change by Friday. That boundary, that weather front between the milder air that we're sitting in and colder air to the north, that's moving down a little more quickly now on Friday, moving in across Scotland, perhaps the northeast of England. We may well see some sunshine, but up towards the Northern Isles could be some wintry showers in that colder wind. Elsewhere, there's not really a great deal on that weather front, not much rain falling from that, still a lot of cloud, still quite mild in the south but colder in the north. And it's really as we head into the weekend that things are looking quite different. So we've got that colder air in place more quickly, but what we've got to watch out for are any weather systems coming in from the Atlantic, and we could see one of those over the weekend. As that bumps into the colder air, of course, then along those weather systems you may start to see some snow, particularly in Scotland. That should then tend to slide away. As it does so, it opens up that northerly airstream, and that northerly airstream then brings colder air back down across the whole of the UK. So this is quite a change in the forecast. Something that looks quite a bit colder, maybe some snow in the north, maybe a little bit extreme. We'll see how things go.